Hi y'all, welcome back to another Cornstein video from Team 75. Now, before I start, I want you to answer a really important question for me. What happens when oil and water mix? If you don't know, keep watching and find out. If you do, stick around and we'll learn the science behind it. So the first thing we're going to do is grab the following materials. A spoon, any food coloring of your choice, an empty glass, some oil, about half a cup should do, and a cup of water. Now we're going to add the water to the empty glass, so it's about halfway full. That to do. Now take your food coloring and add a few drops of it. And grab your spoon and make sure that the food coloring's mixed in well. Now, grab your oil and add it to the glass. And grab your spoon and mix it all together. Okay, so the oil and water didn't mix. You'll notice that the dark red layer is the water and that the light yellow layer is the oil. So why did this happen? The oil and the water are made up of molecules, which are made up of atoms. All atoms have protons and electrons, but the arrangement of the protons and electrons can make parts of a molecule more positive than the other. Molecules with this imbalance are called polar molecules, and they are attracted to one another. Water is a polar molecule, so it likes to stick to water molecules and other polar molecules. However, oil is not. This is why oil and water do not mix. But why does the oil float? Oil forms a separate layer above water because it's less dense. What's density? Density is the amount of space an object takes in relation to its mass or weight. Since both water and oil occupy the same amount of space in the glass, their volumes are the same. However, oil weighs less than water, which is why it's less dense. Objects that are less dense than water float. If the oil was heavier than the water, then the oil would sink. I hope you guys learned something. Thanks for watching. See all of you next time.